Hi, how are you doing? Uh, the only intention why I am teaching the mathematics tricks because many of the students will feel that mathematics is very difficult subject. We don't want to learn maths. Sir, maths involves both complicated, like too many complicated calculations. So, for all the students who thinks that maths is very difficult, on seeing my videos, you will feel maths is very easiest subject. The easiest subject is called maths. And I am going to tell you another trick. There is actually a story behind this trick. When I was reading about the articles about the tips or tricks involved in calculating mathematics, I have found out many tricks, but those are somewhat difficult. But this trick which I am going to teach you will be very easiest trick. Okay, some people will call it as a Japanese trick. Okay, suppose if you want to multiply two numbers, if you want to multiply two numbers, here 12, we will represent 12 as like this, one line and two line, and 11 we represent like this. Okay, now you need to do like this. Here how many intersections are there? 1 and 2, right? So you need to write 2. Here 1, 2, 3. So 3, here 1. So this will be the answer. 12 into 11 will be 132. Understand, right? We will take another one. 21 into 12. 21 into 12. So 21 we write as 2 and 1 we write as this. 12 we write as this. Now we need to do this thing. Separate. Now here how many intersections? This will be 2. Here this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here it will be 2. So the answer is 252. We will see another one. We will see 13 into 12. 13 into 12. So 13 into 12, 1, 1, 2, 3. And for 12, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now 1, 2. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 5 and 1. So the answer is 156. Very easy, right? Like this we can take any numbers. I will take another examples and I will try to solve here. We can take any big numbers also, like we can take here 14 into 33. 14 into 33, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Only careful thing you need to do is, you need to do like this and like this. Now you need to calculate the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is coming, so put one carry here, write 2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 6 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 462. Now understand, when here it is coming greater than 10, so you have to put carry to the next value. Okay, so here 1, here 2. Then you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So write 1 here, 6 here. Here 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So 462. We will take another number. 23 into 32. Here 23 and 3. 32, 1, 2. Here most important thing, this. Okay, now count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 3 here, 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 736. It is easy, right? Here I am doing nothing, just calculating how many dots are here. For your understanding, we will solve another one more example. Okay. We will take 12 into 31. 12 into 31. So this is 1, this is 2 and 3 and 1. Most important thing. And 1, 2. This is 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3. 372 will be the answer. Okay. Now we are going to multiply 3 digit into 3 digit. Okay. We will see that. Now we will multiply 3 digit into 3 digit. 211 into 112. Okay. Here 211 can be represented as 2, 1 and 1. 112, 1, 1, 2. Now see here. See carefully. This is 1. This is 2. This is 1. This is 2. Okay. Now here 2, 1, 2, 3. This will be 3. Here this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 6. Here 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 6, 3, 2. This will be the multiplication of 211 into 112. If you want, you can cross check. Only thing you need to do is you need to measure exactly how many number of dots in this region. Here this corresponds to units place. So here 2 will be there. So write 2. Now this corresponds to tens place. Here 1, 2, 3. This corresponds to tens place. That is why 3 is there. Now between this area, this corresponds to the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is here. Okay. Now this corresponds to thousands place. 1, 2, 3. Here. Now this corresponds to 10,000 place. Here is 1, 2, 2. By this method we can do multiplication of very big numbers, right, from 2 digits or 3 digits without actually doing multiplication. Here we are just doing counting the dots. Okay. This is called mathematics trip by the Japan. Okay. Japanese technology. The people in the Japan invented this kind of dot methods for doing the multiplications. Okay. Why? Because students in the school especially, they feel like multiplication is hectic task. They want the multiplication means the education in terms of play. If it is a playful activity, then students will show much more interest. For them, they invented technology like this, but this technology nowadays many students are using in the competitive exams, bank exams, and maybe some interviews also, because in the written test for the time being they have very constrained time. This is using in the schools also, because in the exams also they have very less time. For that they need to solve it accurately. So this kind of technology, this kind of tricks they are using. I hope you like my video. Okay. So if there is anything else, please put in the comment section and I will like you to teach you many of the mathematic tricks. I want all the students who are watching my video, they should feel like maths is easy subject. Okay. Maths is their favorite subject. Thanks for watching.